government. Now, in Nigeria, I'm using Nigeria as a case study. We have different agency, tax agency for now in 2025. Like we have the state, we have the federal. So I want to pick the Federal Inland Revenue Service and the State Inland Revenue Service to remit this withholding tax to, because actually it belongs to them. So I believe we all know that withholding tax is an advanced tax. It's not really a tax on its own, but it's a tax. It's just an advanced tax. It's claimable by whosoever has paid it at the end of the day. So I've collected some, I've withheld some certain amount of money, and now I want to give it to the government. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let's go back to our Excel sheet. I want to combine this if function, the all function, the search, and the ISNUMBER function to get. Now my goal is, at the end of the day, I want to know which body owns this 4,560. Now, because Alpha, this first customer, is a company itself. Then we have LTD. LTD is also a company. We have Spring and Green Spring Enterprise is also a company. But look at Emmanuel now is an individual. It shows that this withholding will not go to FIRS. Now imagine me entering this thing one after the other manually by saying, oh, FIRS, then I'll look at it again. This one has LTD. I'll now put FIRS. I'll now come Enterprise FIRS. Then when I get to Emmanuel, I'll then put SIRS, and you can imagine the numbers of names I have, companies I have here, more than 150, close to 200 or so. Now, how do we work smartly? Yes, that's the goal. By combining the if, the or, the search, and the is function to arrive at this. Remember, the goal is to do what? Is to put either FIRS or SIRS in this column. Now, what do I do? Now, if equal to, we have the if, that's opening the function. Then I'm going to open my bracket or because I want to now put, I have more than two commands. I'm trying to ask Excel to give me the end result. Now after the or, I will then open a bracket again and put ISNUMBER. ISNUMBER is also a function in Excel, most of those using 365. Yes, ISNUMBER. Then you put your search again. So what am I searching for? And I want to search for, anywhere I see the word limited, I want it to give me FIRS. If I don't see the word limited, if I don't see the word LTD, if I don't see the word enterprises, if I don't see the word company, it should give me SIRS. That's simple as that, instead of doing it manually. So what do I do here? I'm going to open the inverted comma, and I'll put the word, type in the word there, limited, and then close that. Now what do I do from here? Where am I picking this from? Where am I searching this word limited from? You all agree with me that the customer's name is what we're searching from. You click on this, and here you are. Then you close it with two brackets, and next you comma. You want to give Excel other functions. After your comma, you ensure you strike your space bar. Your space bar gives you, then you start again. ISNUMBER, they will just the same way I did this one. ISNUMBER, search. Then when you have your search, then you also open your bracket. Now after your search, what am I searching for again? I'm searching for the word LTD. Now you close that. What next again? I will just after I've done this, next is to do what? So where am I searching for this LTD from? Still the B2, and you'd close your bracket, two brackets to close that. I'm done with that command. Then your comma, then space bar, you switch over to ISNUMBER, still the same ISNUMBER, then search, and so on and so forth. Search. What am I searching for? You're searching for, let me put the word enterprises, and you close that. Where am I searching from? Later that is B2. Then your two brackets, then your comma, space, again ISNUMBER, search. When I search for, then what are you searching for? You're searching for the word company, COPM. you're searching for the word company, then your inverted comma again. The inverted comma, what are you saying? Where are you searching that company from? You're searching from B2 exactly. You're searching from B2 again, then you do what? You close that bracket. What other word do we have there? We have company, we have limited, we have LTD. Do you have any other strange word there? Every other ones, they are individual. So you remit individual withholding tax to state, your states, different states. We have the state internal revenue service. You ensure that you would what? You remit that to the state internal revenue service. So I think I'm done. But instead of putting two brackets at the end, I'm going to put three brackets to show that I'm done with the command. Then what next? Your comma and your inverted comma to put the word. What do you want to appear? When you see the word limited, what do you want to appear on your output? What I want to appear on my output is what? FIRS, and I will close that. Then comma, then also SIRS, that States Internal Revenue Service. Then I will close that, and your brackets to end that, and voila, you have your result. Now I'm going to click and drag down or double click, and it will give me all. Now if you go to Emmanuel, you see that it has SRS because the word company, enterprise, limited, LTD is not there. But if I decide to say, okay, I want to put company on this, to this name, it will change what was SRS before. It will change the word to FRS. But I want to delete that because Emmanuel is an individual, not a company. Then I'll just delete this, and voila, you have it. So just try, take a look at the video, and then try. You learn by doing it at the same time, like hands on. Just try it. If you are stuck somewhere, just let me know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Is function, the is number function, the all function, the search function will give you. You can use this functions to do so many things, but we'll start with this for now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.